On this early Friday morning, I just wanted to say a couple of words of encouragement to everyone. I know that we are all struggling with not being able to spend time with our families and not being in the places that we like, the traditional environments. Typically, this is the time of year when the kids are going on holiday. Maybe we're traveling, maybe we're going someplace special that we're used to going. And so I just wanted to send out some words of encouragement to take this time to still enjoy your traditional holiday. I know some of my friends have been doing Zoom Passover feasts, and take this time to reach out to your family, schedule a Zoom meeting. Zoom is free, super easy to use, and get the parents on it. People can join from their telephones. Just use this time this weekend to do some introspective thinking about your life and about where you're going and how all of this is affecting us, and find the positive in what's happening and find some peacefulness and some joy. I know there will be services online that you can tap into this weekend. So I just wanted to send out some words of encouragement. And I personally am moving back to my home, so I'm excited about that and have a full day going. I would love to connect with each and every one of you in the next week. I will be reaching out to everybody to set up Zoom meetings, setting up a group where we can meet weekly, as far as doing some kind of a Zoom where a lot of people can come together at the same time, maybe like a support system. And so I will be letting everybody know about that. I will be transferring all my workshops onto Zoom online presentations. I've sent out a couple of invitations. If I didn't get to you, please send me a message or just comment below, and I'll make sure that you are on the invitation to meet. On Tuesdays, I will be doing workshops, educational workshops. This week we'll be talking about breaking the cycle of sugar. I will also be talking about CBD for anxiety, chronic pain, and insomnia. So if those are interesting to you, just let me know, and I'll be happy to send you the link to those. Everybody have a great day, a great weekend. Find peace. Enjoy your Easter Sunday. I will be sending out last year's Sunday recipes email here quickly, and so just give you some inspiration for that day of healthy eating. So have a super, super day, you guys, and a great Easter weekend. Nice to see everybody.